In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate a random ID in Google Sheets, AppScript. The goal here is to create a custom function that works like a normal spreadsheet formula. Once it is set up, you can type something like $generate ID in any cell and instantly get a random ID. This is useful for simple record tracking, inventory lists, or any sheet where you need unique-looking identifiers without doing it manually. Start by opening your Google Sheet. In the top menu, click Extensions, then choose AppScript. This opens the script editor in a new tab where you can add code that connects to your spreadsheet. Inside the AppScript editor, click into the code area and highlight any existing code you see. Delete it so you start with a clean file. Now paste in the provided script that defines two functions. The first function is called Generate ID, and it builds a random alphanumeric ID by selecting characters from a set of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. It also includes an optional length parameter, so you can control how many characters you want. By default, it generates an 8-character ID. The second function is Generate UID, which uses Google's built-in utility to create a UID, which is a longer, highly unique identifier. After you paste the code, click the Save icon in the toolbar. Saving is important because the spreadsheet cannot call your custom functions until the script project is saved. Now switch back to your Google Sheet. Click into the cell where you want the ID to appear. Type $generate ID 10 and press Enter to generate a 10-character random ID. If you prefer the default length, you can use $generate ID .low with no number. If you want a UID instead, type $generate UID .low and press Enter. A practical tip is to choose the function based on your needs. The shorter Generate ID output is easier to read and copy, while the UID is better when uniqueness is critical across many records. Once you see the result appear in the cell, your setup is complete, and you can reuse these formulas anywhere in the sheet. And that is all there is to it.